Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Mobile Auth package, black appearance package, bed utility package, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a nice Pro Access tailgate, which allows you to have easier access to your bed. You got a nice 120 volt here, lights for your bed as well, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down with a nice Bedliner, some measurements on the tailgate as well, and it is powered so it will go down automatically. And let's just say you're holding a lot in your hands and you want to lift up the gate, all you have to do, knee it up and it will go up automatically. We do get mud flaps on the rear, a nice black platform gripped running board, mud flaps on the front with trailer tow mirrors, blind spot detection, spotlight and turn light indicated with a side view camera. And moving to the front real quick, we do get a nice black hood deflector. We have front park sensing with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering, plenty of door space, flat fold storage system, carpeted interior with rear floor mats. You got cup holders, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, rear vents, 120 volt, and you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. And we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which allows you to have more storage space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for the 3 drivers, parking brake pedal adjusters, lights, spotlights, and auto stop, auto start, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 84 kilometers. We do have a heated leather up steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get a digital speedometer over there. You have your RPMs, my view, trip and fuel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the vehicle ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. We have our gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select. With your speeds, it is collapsible, storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and it does close. Got your leather wrap center console here. That does turn into an interior work surface where you can put your food here or your laptop, totally up to you. You do get quite a bit more storage underneath. Dry modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. Trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, engine start stop, heated and cooled front seats. There's that heated steering wheel. Dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Storage above and below. Storage right there with a nice powered rear window opener. We also have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a nice garage door transmitter. We have a park assist right there, and clicking here you have a 360 view of your vehicle, and you can change the camera angles as well, which is pretty nice. Hazards and traction, and we do give BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving. Looking here, we do get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, all that jazz, apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA62605, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.